Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you turn off mini player for your YouTube videos, or how can you fix the error of YouTube mini player not working or YouTube mini player turn off. You have to just come back and open up your YouTube Studio app. There you have to go to your YouTube videos in the content section and click on a random video. There you can see the pencil icon. You have to click on it. There you can see on the third audience. You can see that I have checked on the no, it's not made for kid. But if you check the yes, it made for kid or the yes option, you have to set it to the no. After it, you can fix the error of YouTube mini player turn off or YouTube mini player not working. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.